Hey, good morning. Good morning. We're live. I'm live. Let's get it. We're going to be trading NASDAQ, the futures on Top Step Prop Firm. Okay. Let's see what's going on now. Okay. Alrighty. So let's see what's going on here. First things first. Take off all the indicators, all the drawings. We're deleting them. Have a clean chart. Start the day with a clean chart. We're going to be here. This area here. We're going to be here charting up. So let's see. 1 second. Let me see here. Boom, boom.
Steps in this. If you skips. If you.
Alright. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's get this started. Start on the daily chart here and see what happened. So we took out yesterday's high. Yesterday we took out the previous day's high and the previous day's low. Both of them. You mean? So we opened up, took out kind of like an indecisive candle there. We did not go down into the gap. But we are going to mark yesterday's low, previous day low, and let's see, previous day high. Previous day high, previous day low. Okay. Just to let us know where we're going, we're going to do the opening price here. On the daily candle opening price is where the candle opened up, right there. Also noticing that we came back into this daily fair value gap and we're kind of pushing up, so we'll keep that in mind. But we also have an indecisive candle there, and we took out the highs there. Today's Friday, so it's usually a retracement day, so we might see something bearish. We may see a bearish, something, we might see it go down and fill the gap up. We will see. Okay. The 4 hour, there's nothing much to see there. Not much to see there. 1 hour. Let's see. We got a couple of fair value gaps here, so we're marking this one out here. 1 hour. 1 hour. So we got two fair value gaps there. We already tapped into this one here, just a little bit there. So it's good to see on the 1 hour, 4 hour, 15 minute, just kind of seeing what is it respecting as far as PD arrays on the higher time frame. 1 minute, just we don't really know yet. 1 hour, we can start to get a idea about what's going on here. We got one here. Look for rag up there. See what happens to that one. Okay, I'm going to. I see a clear low and I see a clear high. High, low. Okay, so what I see that I just want to get a fib on it. Get a fib on it right there. And see what's going on. See where we're tracing back to here. So we'll leave that there for now and see what happens. But that's what we got as of now. Just from it being Friday, thinking about a retracement, so lower, but then I go to the daily and I see it came over here, respected that, we popped back up, rejected that area pretty solidly here too, boom. So we even filled this little gap here. We had a gap there, little gap here, came here, tapped that, and we're going up. There's a good little wick on there, but nothing crazy. So higher seems, the chart's kind of showing us higher, but the day, because we trade off the days as well, so days matter as well. Okay, Monday, so this was Monday right here, so it's about where Monday was. We'll just say here, boom, we came up, came down. So you have to picture like a day, like a weekly chart. Okay, this is a weekly chart. We opened up, boom, here, opened up, came down, and we're about where the heck we were. You mean if we look at that weekly chart, let's see. So that's where it is. So we're just kind of pushing up right now, but there was no wick on the bottom here. We never went. We just kind of shot straight up on that. Doesn't mean we're gonna get it. I mean, I don't know if we're gonna get it, but the probability of this staying like that is low. But I'm sure there's other times where it did that. I mean, see any other no wick candles? There's one there. There's one there, and it closed higher. So we're just gonna keep that in mind. Keep that in mind while we're going through this and charting it up. We're not taking huge moves anyways. We just want to go with it anyways. We just want it to be easier to go in our direction when we take it on the 1 minute. So it's a 15-minute chart now. So it's a 15-minute FVG right there. And we got one right here. Oh. And we got one right here as well. And that would be about 50% of this range from here to there. We had this consolidation. Boom, 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 boom. We came up and we're rejecting and see if we can get down to this area here. That's what it looks like. Once we close past this, it look like it make the most sense. So we'll see if there's a trade that sets up or not. But I'm looking at this really, really good right now. I'm looking at this really good right now. 186. Yeah. We will see. I want to see if we get down here. I want to see if we get down there. Looks like we're holding this. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna mark out midnight open here. day. Boom. Midnight open came up, kind of just chilled with it, came up, took out that, and see if we, looks like we really don't want to know if we want to hold it or not, but we're going to see, looking for lower, so but we'll see. Once we pass this 15, we could kind of decide what we want to do and how we want to do it. Okay, London low, London high, let's mark that out. Okay, we just took out the high, so yeah, London low is looking like a target. London low, Asia low here. 15-minute right there. So 15 minutes looking pretty promising, or the not 15-minute, the 50-minute for red gap is looking pretty promising. But we will wait, let it give us a chance to get in. And let it give us a good trade setup that we can take that makes sense and that aligns with our rules. That's most important, because it's looking good for lower. Okay, we also have, let's see if we have any news here. No news, so we're good on that. That's Chicago PMI 945. We'll just mark that. I don't know how serious that is. We'll find out today though. News right there. It's called US Chicago PMI. So PMI is usually pretty strong, but it's not a red folder. It's an orange folder news. So we'll see how that affects the market today. That's how we'll see. Okay. Okay. But yeah, we're looking good for lower. But let's see if we get a retracement into this 15 here, maybe. Possibly, and maybe it'll go lower, but I'm looking to see if we can hit this 15 and take out all this London low, Asia low, and tap into this 15 down here. I'm gonna do the fib on this from here to down here and see where we get after I get done with this real quick. Let me make sure. I got 5 over here. Let's look at, we're looking at ES now, seeing what it's looking like. Came down here into this gap, 4 hour. Chain of state delivery, boom. Kind of held this breaker block right here and rejecting it. So I could see lower in that. I could see lower with that too. Hit this 1 hour, rejecting, or at least looks like it may be rejecting. I can see lower still, right? And just as long as it makes sense to what we were trying to do. We don't want it to be like, oh no, this is looking super bullish over here on ES. That's the main thing we don't want to do. We got about a minute left to market open. So we got a 1 hour fair value gap. Mark this liquidity out down here in case we hit it. That's not it. Liquidity right there in case we hit that. Okay, we got the freaking liquidity way down here on this one. Okay, look at the 15 real quick. Market's about to open. 1 minute still. 1 minute still. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay. Hitting this 1 hour though, so I'd like for it to go down below that 1 hour. Let us know we're super bullish. I mean bearish. Bearish. Still chilling, man. There's not much to see. Okay, market's opening now. We'll see how it wants to act. Be patient, see what it wants to do here. We close below the 15. We want to see how this come out, but we want it to fit our model though. I mean, we don't want to just take stuff. I don't want to just take stuff. So what I'm gonna do here, get this 15. I'm gonna take this off right there for now. I'm gonna get this. Look at this, low, high. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with this is find a 50%. Cause we like to gravitate towards 50%. That's a 50%. We might go there, we might not. I just want to see it gravitate towards that area, which makes the most sense for me. Because we can know where it's going to go, but if it doesn't give us an entry, it doesn't matter. We're not just going to take it. You mean? Because then it comes in, you take something here, and then it comes and retraces, hits the 15, and it comes back down. You're stopped out. And you wish you wouldn't have got in that thing. And it's not a good habit, like I said, yeah. So okay, let's see. Now it's the waiting game. Who can wait the longest? Who can wait the longest? Okay, we got a fair value gap here, right at 930. Oh, okay, right here. That's an aggressive entry that I'm not wanting to mess with. Want to wait for something to show me. But yeah, we're looking short. We're looking really short. And shorts looked good because we're holding it, but it's not like we inverted one. I mean, we're still holding this big one overall, showing that we may come down here. But the thing was from here and to here, we're at 0.705 for that range, which is the OTE of a reversal. I mean, it just like kind of it comes back down up to there, and then it comes down. And then now we look at this range from here to there and see if we can get 50% of it. And then it might not be 50%. It just what PD array is in the 50%. And we see this big fair value gap here. So that's the PD array that I'm looking at for us to hit. Right there. we still ain't hit London low or took it out yet, so we at least want to see London low and H low get taken out before any reversal kind of happens. But the draw right now is hitting this 15 right here. If we can come back into this 15 here, show a lower time frame flip when we hit this, that can be an entry. It could be an entry because we haven't hit London low or H low yet. Yeah, because we got that low here we ain't hit yet. ES is a fair value gap here we ain't hit yet. At least on the 15 minute. I'll look in the 1 hour, see if they hit it on the 1 hour or not. Got that 15 there. We ain't tapped into it. We did take out all of these lows though. All these relative equal lows kind of just sitting here. And that's part of the consolidation, manipulation, distribution. So this was a consolidation, or just going sideways. Then it manipulates and distributes, and when it distributes, it usually takes the other side of that manipulation out. So we just did that. But we have a PDA right here, which is the fair value gap, which is the area of interest to hit, and we haven't hit it yet, either on here or on NQ, because it's ES over here. And these are NQs, these three are NQs, and we still haven't hit that. So we have a slight SMT, nothing major, just this little bit right here. And this one, nothing. Still expect it to go lower, just waiting for a good entry. It's all about waiting. It's all about waiting. When you can sit all day and not take a trade, that's when you know that you're getting better. If you're not a scalper. If you're a scalper, then I guess you might need to trade a whole bunch, take a whole bunch of trades and all that stuff. But when I'm trying to be doing A+ kind of things, then A+ setups, then I don't take a lot of trades. I wait for it to come to me, and I take and I capitalize on the trades. But yeah, lower makes the most sense on everything right here. It is, are we gonna get a retracement or not? Then, if not, then no. It means that we're not gonna take anything. We came back to this order block here, so we came down. Once these kind of candles right here, if we're gonna go lower, these turn into resistance. Even like the opposite candle, so it's black, 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 black. Then you got a green one here. That sometimes turns into a resistance. It's an order block. So that right there would turn into resistance, this candle here. I usually mark it from not the wick on the bottom right here, then it turns into resistance if it wants to go lower, and if it's time for it to go lower. It could come up and take all that out, keep going higher. But at the moment, if it's gonna do it, that's kind of how it happens. Like this right here, you can see came down, kind of like the resistance. Then we came down off that order block there, and all these too. So you can see it happen all the time. So boom, and then this one acted as resistance. This opposite candles, all these together, order block. This one too, boom, tapped into the middle of it. And it's acting as resistance even, and it shouldn't go past here if we wanted to keep going up. So that's a good place to put your stop loss. occasionally. Okay, we took out the London low, Asia low. That's kind of what I was expecting. Want to see it hit this 15 here, at least, and this 15 here, or either one. Either one should be. See if we take it out. Okay, so we took this stuff out. So it did what it needed to do as far as... It did not hit the 15 minute though. That's the thing about it. It still needs to hit this 15 or this 15. So now we hit the 15. If we can take this low out, these equal lows here on NQ. So right here, these equal lows. Then we would have an SMT if we don't take it out over here. But it looks like we may take it out over here. Let's see. Okay, we're going down pretty good. So now we hit the 15 right here. I like 15s for reversals. If we come down to the 50%, makes more sense. But we did hit the PD rate within the 50% range. So that was the area of interest in the 50%. If we want to keep going up, it depends. It all. We'll see what happens though. We'll see what happens. Create a 5-minute fair value gap here. Dump in over here on ES. Let's see what we got here. Yep, usually Friday's a retracement day to retrace everything we did throughout the week. So we're bullish throughout the week. So Friday we may retrace. We didn't get an entry yet. Still plenty of time. Still plenty of time. All I wanted, at least to see, was if we can get us an entry, come down here, close past it. I want it to come back up here into this 15. I would have took a short, like I said. We didn't get it. Not a problem. We're just reacting and kind of seeing what the market wants to give us. We're taking what we can. Okay, I'm not taking this trade, but it just looks like something that may work. It just so soon right now. I just don't want to take it. It's so soon, super soon right now. I want to see it retrace and then come back down. It's like an aggressive entry right here. If somebody was to take this one, just aggressive, thinking it's gonna reverse right now, that'd be your entry. I'd rather it come up, come back down here, letting us know it might want to go now. We might have this 5 minute. We'll see. Looks like we're gonna get it. Mark it out real quick. All up in the 15 minute, looking good. Just kind of tap the top of this little breaker here. We'll see what happens there. May want to take something, man. We're so close to that 5 minute. Oh, I'll wait for this. I'll wait. Let's see. Just looking at something here. I'm not taking it. I just want to look at that, see what's going on here, see how it's looking. Cause I don't see how how we react to this 5 minute here. Still looks like we can go lower. Still looks like we can go lower. Yeah. Still looks like we can go quite a bit lower. You can see what this 5 minute looks like. See how it acts right here with this 5 minute. If we can come up here, This 5-minute intro reversal, I'll probably take it. Just waiting it out. All right, Noah. What you got going on over there, bud? Emma or Noah? May reverse around here somewhere. We're close to the 50% here. May reverse around here somewhere. Let me go to here. Let's measure this out. And we hit 50% on the ES. So in Q, if we do reverse, it's a little bit stronger. We didn't get that quite that cool the pullback as the other one. So we'll see what happens here. May want a long just to get back here somewhere and look for a short possibly. Possibilities are endless. You really just go higher, you go lower. It can go higher or lower. Oh yeah, let's see here. Yeah, that crap. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Oh boy. Another one down here. Yeah. There's another one down here. Another 15 down here. We'll mark out. Come on, bud. Let's see. Okay. We got a fair value gap here on the 15. I'm gonna mark out London, Asia, low, take all that stuff out. Equal lows, take that off. Don't need that mess on here right now. Looking for a retracement back into this 15 and see if we get a reversal or not. Something. See what happens here. See if it wants to take off right now on them. That's one, and that'd be two. Okay, yeah. So let's see if we get past this. Let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, really, I'm just waiting on a retracement Either this 5 minute, 15 minute here, this 15 minute here, and see if we get a continuation down. That'd be the best setup right now. If we get a pull back into here, pull back into there, and go short off of that, that'd be the best setup right now. Let's wait for a pullback. And then a reversal on the 1 minute. Because we got liquidity way down here. Yeah, we got liquidity way down here. And this one is way down here as well. So that's the targets. That looks good to me. They're down here. So we still got a long way to go. And then we don't ever just go straight down. We always, at least, I don't know. Nah, I can say that. Sometimes we do go straight down, but a lot of the times we retrace and then keep going down. So I just wait for that retrace into this PDA right here, this fair value gap here, or possibly this fair value gap here. Either one. Either one. Okay. That there somewhere. See if we get this fair value gap here. Long wouldn't be a bad idea. We have 50%. But you just have to take it straight to freaking right here. I mean, you couldn't go past this with it. Have to be 102 to be 1-to-1 or something, but I wouldn't want that. Okay, let's see what we get when we get up here to this 15 minute. That's the only thing I'm waiting on. Still waiting. Still waiting. Tap into that fair I got. Let's see. At 10 2, so it's like a good what do you call it? 70. Yeah. It's a good time. What do they call it? Good time. It's a it's like a what do you call it? Gosh dang, dude. Let's see. It's like a it's a good time to trade. It's a good time for reversals, pretty much what it is. Good time for a setup. And we are called or about time for a retracement or something, you would think. You would think. I don't know if I trust this long right now. I trust more the inversion going down than the long. But it looks like we're about due for a retracement back up, though. I'm not gonna lie. But we are going down pretty hard. But we hardly got a retracement. So my game plan right now is just wait for I'm just waiting for a retracement now. Feels good up in here, man. I like it cold, like how it is now. Got a little sweater on, feeling good. Waiting, patienting for my setup, all that good stuff. Let's see. Triple turns, yeah. The heck? That was yesterday. Okay, let's see. So I should have 6, 7. Yeah, shoot. Let me see here. I don't think that's right. A little too cold. Speaking a long time ago. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Alrighty. So I guess we're going lower. We don't want to retrace, or what? I guess not. Should I take this inversion here? I don't know. It's possible. It's possible, man. It's possible. Take this inversion. It's the only inversion we got now. That's all we got. Just want to retrace more. I just want to get a retracement though. So not quite yet. I just want to get a retracement first. That's good. Let's see this. That's real good. It's too far. Did I call that thing? Okay. Here. Boom. Back it up. Boom. Boom. Here. Boom. Boom. What the heck is this? Nope. What the heck is that? All tree, yeah. Nothing going on. It didn't even retrace into anything. What the heck going on? Did not even retrace into anything. We did not even retrace into anything. We did not. You know what I mean? We did not. Somebody took it there. Guess you got right there. I don't even know. It took forever much. I don't know. Okay. Took out that low. This, boom, took out the low, sweep. See what happens, dude. Still waiting for that. I'm not gonna be touching anything. Till something higher time frame lets me know. Mm. The longs could be the answer here, just that. But the only thing is, you're only taking it to 15 here. That should be, yeah. No. Okay, yeah, just chopping up right now. So we're just trying to wait, man. I gotta wait, cause once we market structure shifted right here, took this high out here, we came down and took everybody freaking out, acting like we're about to go lower, and now we're coming back up. So I want to see what happens in this 15 minutes. See if we get some kind of reversal or something going on there. I think that'd be the best thing to do. Just wait for that. Makes the most sense. Just nothing that's totally makes sense right now. I really want. It's probably gonna go up from here. It's just the 15-minute right here will stop it. Seems like. I mean, it'll stop it from going too far. And if I want to get in the trade, I want it to go pretty dang far. Or at least have the potential to take off. And right now, once it hits that 15, I'm expecting a reversal to go lower. So we'll see. Okay. Are we in this 15 yet? We're getting pretty close, dude. Let me see. We're almost there. Almost hit it. Almost hit the 5-2, so I want to see what happens once we get there. We're still in the 15 there. Let's get up in this 15. Let's see if we get in the 15 of the ES as well. If not, forget it. This is where I'm looking for a reversal right now. Around this area. I'm looking for a reversal around this area here. So we just tapped into a 15. We're bearish. It's 50% of this range. We invert this. I'll be looking for a short. Touch that good too. What I'm looking at is for it to close below this. Come down here, close below that. Tap into this right here. Go down. And that's what I'm looking for. This here. See what happens. If we don't invert this or come below this, I'm not gonna get in, so it doesn't matter. But that's just what I'm looking for. That's just what I would take. If it wants to go up, let it go up. But that's why I don't just take it blindly like that. It needs to show me what it wants to do. We're in this 15 minute now. In this 15 minute over here as well. I want to see what the 1 hour looks like on ES. Bouncing off this bad boy right here. See if we make another fair value gap here. Okay. We made another one here. Still feel we have a long way to go down, especially on 1 hour over here on ES. This liquidity down here, and on NQ. Where's that bad boy at? Yeah, we got all the way down here. So if we want to go lower, that's where targets would be, where it makes the most sense. We might want to come up to this dang 5 minute here. We're so close to it already. So still looking for a short right now. Still looking for a short if we can get it. If we can get a short, we're looking for it. We want to see a lower time frame flip. We're in the 15 right now. We're bearish. Okay, we're gonna shoot up, see if we hit this 5 minute here. It'll be good. Let's see. Hit that 5 minute, see if we keep going up, or if we want to see that reversal now. See what happens. Okay, let's see if we get a reversal here. See if we get this inverse right here. See if we get it. I want to see some good, solid candles coming down. Let's see if we get this entry here. Let's see if we get something here. Gonna wait, see what happens. Looks like we might get this 5 minute here. Because if we close past this, we possibly could be closing past this at the same time, which would be good. Because I don't want it to come down here and bounce off this 5 minute. I want to see if we can go straight through it. But I want to see a close, at least past this, a close past this. Let's get ready. See if this see what it wants to do here. I'm gonna get ready. I don't want it to hold it because I'm expecting lower. I don't want it to hold this 5 and bounce. I'm expecting it to go lower. Could take a entry just when it closes past this 5 minute. Stop above the 5 minute. I'm waiting for my 1 minute flip real quick and see how that works. I want to see this thing go down past this. What I don't want to see is this thing to use it and bounce right here. I want to see if I want to see it pass it up. See if we can pass it up. If we want to keep going up, that's good too. It doesn't matter to me. I just want to see some more confirmation on the 1 minute that we're about to close past this thing or not. Probably perfect timing, it looks like. Because if we close past this in the next candle, then the 5 would also close past it at the same time. So let's see if this candle will close past it. It'd be good if it did. We'll get in. If we close past this. And the 5 would close past it too. We are coming up on this BPR, but forget that freaking BPR. I feel like we can go down. Okay, so I want to see this candle right now close past it. If we get this candle right now to close past it, it'd be good. It would be good. If not, then it's not ready yet. We'll wait for it to be ready. Let's see. Nope, not yet. Not yet. Still may take it if we close past this on the 1 minute here. I'll put a starter in. Kind of start it up. Let's see. Yeah, I still believe we can go lower. Okay, now you can hear me. Still want to see lower, see what we can get here. Let's see what we got going on here, man. Let's see. We got a 15 coming up. Let's see here. May want to get in this. Let's see. Wait a second. Let's get some more confirmation. It wants to go lower by taking this out. Once we take this, invert this, I think I'll be ready to go short. coming up on this freaking 15-minute though. That's the only thing. But still like it though. Still like to go lower here. Okay, let's see if we get this close under here. See if we get it. I want to see us go below this. That's what I want to see. That's what I really want to see. Still holding the 5-minute, but we ain't come back to the 15-minute yet. We came back to this 15-minute, but we're still holding this one. This one's lined up with this consolidation here. We still got some liquidity down there. I want to see it close below this, and I will get in. Let's see if we get it. Not quite. Let's see. We're just chilling right here, man. Yeah, we're chilling. So we go past this 5 minute, probably just freaking entry, dude. You know what I mean? Close past this 5 minute. Stop above here, about 100 ticks, something. I'm saying. If we get it, but we're kind of just chilling. Look like we're going up. Still waiting to see if we can close past this. See if we can close past that now, and then it'd be closing on the 5 minute as well. So that'd be good to see that happen if we get that. Otherwise, we're just consolidating and not doing nothing. So I want to see it close past this. We got 50 seconds because if it does it now, we do kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Would be taken out for the 5 minute and the 1 minute because they're about the same level. But we're just waiting to see if we can get in. But we have to see this get closed below. We haven't done that yet, so we're not taking any trades. I'm going to the restroom real quick. Ugh. Okay. Came back in here, man. I don't know. Let's see. Probably just shut this down right now. And thank y'all for watching. That's it for today. That's all I'm gonna do today. I'm not gonna chase nothing. I'm not gonna I'm just gonna wait it out. No trades today. I'm happy with that. I'm good with that. Nothing worth taking. Still looking for short, but it look like we're pushing up, so that's good with me. Thank y'all for watching.